Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you how to add music to WhatsApp status. To start this tutorial, open and locate your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are now on your TikTok, the first thing you need to do is to create a new post by clicking on the plus sign. In here, you can use your camera, or you could also use anything from your gallery. For now, go ahead and take your time in locating which one you ever need. Once you already found the photos that you want to post, give them a number or a check, and then click on Next. For now, let's look for adding music. We can add anything that we want here, coming in from TikTok. These are complimentary beats coming from TikTok. Now choose whichever fancies you. In here, just click on it and then wait for TikTok to finish loading. As you can see over here, it's already added into our TikTok post. And in this case, you now have the option to post it directly from your TikTok application. In here, just click on share and post, and then everything should all be good. The next step for now is just to wait for TikTok to finish posting your new video. This time, go to your profile and then wait for it to come in. Now, all you need to do here is to wait for TikTok to finish uploading your new post. Now, the next step is to click on it, your new post. And then in here, you're going to be saving this one or sharing it to WhatsApp. Go ahead and share it to your status in WhatsApp. You can see your WhatsApp icon over there. Now the next step is to tap on My Status. And then in here, all you need to do is choose which part of the status you want it to be part of. Then click the next arrow. That should be it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.